Hey guys, this is Brian with TNT Over 50. I got one really awesome meal that we're making tonight. It's just a pork loin. This is one of those that you can just set it and forget it. And I'm just gonna make a kind of a veggie rice along with it. So all I do here, I'm gonna put some spice, like a spicy sweet chili rub on it. And all I'm doing is just dousing this down. Kind of put it on both sides. And this is about, I guess about 3 pounds here. 1.5 each. And just put it on there just like this. I like really try to close it up real tight. And keep it all, I wrap the ends up like this and squeeze it down so none of the juices come out. That. There. And then put it in a just glassware for the oven. Like this. And I'll pop it in there probably about like 275 for like maybe 2.5 hours, something like that. So I'm gonna pop that in right now. And as soon as it's ready, I'll already prep the rice and stuff and we'll be right back at you. All right guys, back at you. I just took it out of the oven and put my grass-fed butter on it. I sliced it up into long slices because I'm gonna go throw it on the grill and just kind of singe the outsides a little bit. And I put a little bit of Rute's barbecue sauce on it. But I've got the rice rolling over here and I do use the minute rice. This stuff is just already pre-cooked rice that's dehydrated or whatever. And you just, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of rice. And it comes out so good, so much better than what I can usually make that sticky rice work. So get the water to a boil, turn it off, add the rice. And I've got cilantro, green onions, and red pepper. Slap that in there, stir it around. And I'm just gonna do salt and pepper on this, and it'll come out pretty good. But pack it all down to where it kind of gets all that moisture absorbing back into the rice. And a little bit of salt. Little pepper, and I like using sea salt. Sea salt's a better alternative than the regular one. Just because it doesn't dehydrate you like the other salt does. So it's just a better alternative. Or that Himalayan salt. And there you go. Set it, forget it. I'm gonna take that out, pop it on the grill, and we'll be back in. All right guys, back from the grill, here we are. Now, if you don't have a grill or if you don't wanna go take it to the grill, you can put it in the air fryer. I've chopped it up before and put it in there, and it comes out just like the grill. But chop it up. Rice is all fluffy. And the finish. It's good stuff. Talk to you next time.